Alright, I just changed the fuel pump. I'm not going to leave that hose unhooked. Try to crank it this time. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be the fix of the problem. The only other thing it could be is if I assume it rubs on the center of the camshaft. It could be wore way out. I want to try to start it. I have not tried. So. Well, maybe I do need to pull that back off there. That did not seem to help. Oh, it's got gas squirting out of it. Alright, that's definitely not the problem. It's getting gas up here to it. So, it could still be this filter's plugged up. There could be something in the carburetor itself, obviously. Let me take the choke off. So, anyway. I'm going to try to do this without priming it. Well, alright, the carburetor does need overhaul. What can you do? I'm going to make it start whether it wants to or not. Not really the stuff to make it start on, but brake or carburetor cleaner's better than either. I assume you can still hear me. I might change that little piece of hose there anyway. It's leaking on the bottom side. I'll go ahead and I'll change that filter too. And I'll probably still rebuild the carburetor. That's how it's been. I end up having to prime it about every time. So, well, alright, we'll go to the next step. At least you heard it run.